Hey, Dana Ehrlich, big thinking boomer, continuing to work on and develop my online community for other big thinking boomers who are looking for a more leveraged lifestyle in their later years in their second chapter. And I couldn't be more excited about what I've been discovering and what I'm building. So I'm just continuing to share as I go along here. As you know, in my last video, I talked about OpenClaw, and you'll see here from my end of day check-in. It's so cute. OpenClaw gives me my daily check-in, and I'm not going to call it OpenClaw from now on. It's Bowie. Bowie is my agent. And just so you have a little bit of the context, the way OpenClaw is set up, it's leveraging one of any large language models. Right now, I have it integrated with Kimi, and it's set up to always be using the latest version of Kimi, which Kimi's great for just day-to-day transactional types of things. It also integrates with Claude, which Anthropic specifically, which we use for the deep thinking, and then it also integrates with OpenAI, ChatGPT, and you can select whichever version of ChatGPT you want to use. I'm also using a third-party app called Claw Launcher, which if you're interested in doing anything with OpenClaw and you're still trying to figure out how to get it done, this was by far the simplest thing rather than having to set up my own server, my own virtual server, or without having to get a dedicated PC. I was able to get OpenClaw up and running through this third-party server and then get it connected to my Telegram account. And I got it all completed within a couple of hours. And now I feel really powerful. I'm sorry, I just feel really powerful. Anyway, so you can see OpenClaw helped me do a lot of things yesterday. We worked on a lot, and it does a lot. So, it's not just a input output type of AI. It does stuff. So it's very proactive too. It'll ask me, it'll see me doing something, and it'll ask me, well, do you want me to do this next? So anyway, so you can see how the end of the day went yesterday. Okay, let's keep moving on. So one of the things I did accomplish was setting up the membership site for the Big Thinking Baby Boomers community. So this is set up in GoHighLevel. Again, I'm I'm an affiliate for GoHighLevel for now and forever, and I want to empower as many other small business owners, realtors, home service providers. Doesn't matter which niche you're in. You could be a health spa owner, a gym owner. Uh, by far, GoHighLevel has so much going for it, and I'll talk about that specifically in yet another video. But things are progressing with getting the membership site created. So what I wanted to also share with you about GoHighLevel is it's got this Ask AI feature, which is absolutely awesome. So here's what I started with yesterday. I asked, what exactly can I do with Ask AI? And it came back and said, great question. Here's a comprehensive overview. So it gives me this, it can help me with CRM data management, content creation, platform setup and configuration, questions and support, safe action execution. It goes on and on and on. So I asked it, can you help me integrate my assessment? So the assessment that we created earlier in the week, can you help me integrate that with the follow-up lead magnet? And it says, absolutely, this is very doable. It starts asking questions. I give it back the answers. It asks more questions. I give it the answers. Whenever you're ready to go, here's all the content it needs. from the assessment. I'm sorry, I'm going too slow here. Quick. So it's building all the emails, it's building everything. Everything is built now. So ready to get started? Here's your logical next step. It says create 5 custom fields. Update your assessment form, build the 3 additional funnel pages, create the workflow, write and design the 4 emails. Want me to help you with any of these steps directly inside the platform? I can create the custom fields, pull your existing workflows, help draft the funnels, page copier for any archetype. It says, so I said, do you want to review the assessment that's already been created? So it reviews the assessment and it determines that it still needs my help getting it shared. So I said I built it in GoHighLevel's AI Studio. So it checks there. Since the assessment is standalone, we need to get it built natively. So I moved it from the Vibe app. It gave me all the instructions uh, on how to move it from the Vibe app to uh, a native funnel inside GoHighLevel. Um, okay, so on and on and on. Um, okay, so then it goes on and says, really good news. Here's what we've got. Uh, anyway, it's going on and it's explaining because I've got several fields inside so the assessment is extracting data and then that's being analyzed and it's being spit back out in basically a lead magnet. So originally, I had built the lead magnet in a PDF format, but the problem is that you can't do an auto merge that way. So basically, what I've been working through here is how to take the data and merge it into, instead of a PDF, into an online experience. So that's what I've continued to work on. So we've connected the form to we've fixed this. So here's what it told me to do. I have to capture the archetype in the form submission. So I've done that, connected the form to my CRM. I set up the redirect, and then it wanted me to screenshot. So it gave me the exact setup instructions, yada, yada, yada. It says I can see everything. I need to create the 4 funnel pages. Great, you asked. Yes, let's create the 4 funnel pages. So Vibe app redirects needs a destination URL. So it keeps going and keeps going. Keeps going. Want me to build it now? So let's definitely build the pages in the CRM's funnel builder. So better to do it in the funnel builder. I said, do we want to do this? So I said, should the funnel pages be built inside AI Studio or in GoHighLevel? So it gave me a full analysis of why it was better to be built in the CRM funnel builder. And then what each of the 4 pages needs, and am I ready to build? So I said, let's go. Love the energy. Create the funnel. So then here's the complete ready to use content for your first page. So it created all the content for the first page. And then it gave me all the instructions. It asked me a few questions. Great call to action choice. So I made some changes there. And it walked me through everything I needed to do to create my first page. So let me go back really quickly here because I guess it's important you see this step. So here was what it came back with. Sorry. So I said, so now give me the prompt to build each page completely to include the call to action. So here are all 4 complete page build prompts. Copy each one directly into the platform's AI funnel builder. So here's what I did. I just took prompt number 1, steady earner. I took this entire prompt and I took it into uh, AI Studio and I dropped it in and I finagled it a little bit back and forth. I added the domain, and voila, we now have an absolutely beautiful page. So here's what the page looks like. I mean, come on, guys. Look at this page. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, it's missing a call to action button down here. I'll fix that. But uh, uh, this didn't take me more than um, an hour to build. If I had been trying to build this page inside the template builder in GoHighLevel, it would have taken me half a day to a day just to build one page. So I'm pretty excited about this. So let's bring this back to real estate experience. This is my existing real estate website, which to me looks very templated and not interesting at all. I don't know where my images have gone. Where are my images? Something's going on here. Well, that's not good. Anyway, I'll be fixing that very quickly because you can just see all of this is just, it's very clunky. Anyway, I went in to uh, AI Studio in GoHighLevel and I said, I would like a website built based on the content at this website, LA Seller Solutions, make the site feel modern. Let's see what you come up with first pass. So that's all the instruction I gave it. And look at how beautiful this page came out. It's so much more beautiful and more modern. It's just a stunning page. So I'm just going to keep going on this project as well. It's just really exciting stuff. So if you're in real estate, again, if you're a home service provider, if you own a gym, if you own a health spa, if you are a solopreneur, if you're an affiliate marketer, a network marketer, I don't care what business you're in, GoHighLevel is the solution. So we can talk about it. I have a white labeled version, or I can also recommend that you sign up directly. But there are advantages of either path. So feel free to reach out to me and we can certainly talk about what's going to be the best choice for you. All right. On that note, sayonara.